Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show how to clear all caches in Windows 10 or 11. So this tutorial is going to be easy and quick method. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to this PC, then go to the local disk C, and here is the Windows. So double click the Windows and go to the download distribution, go to software distribution, double click the software distribution and then double click on the download file. Here is the download file, so delete this file and click on to this for all current items. Here is, and click the continue, then go to the press Win plus R, then write down the percentage key and write the temp, then percentage. Here is click the OK. There is lot of junk file, so Control plus A button to select all the items and delete this file. The file is deleting. After deleting the temp file, then again press the Win key plus R button and write down temp to clean the cache, then click the open, and here is to continue the temp option. There is some junk file, so click delete, try again, skip the some files, then clicking deleting the temp file. Then again we have to search we press the Win plus R button and write down the prefetch, PREFETCH prefetch, then click the button OK and click continue. Select the all files and delete this file. Some files are skipped. Then after deleting this file, then go to the search box and write down the restore reset store. This reset store, which is clean the Microsoft cache. After that, so go to the search box and write down the command prompt then click the command prompt, then write down IP config, then space, then slash FLUSHDNS, then enter. Then here is the successfully flushed the DNS resolve cache. Now we can see this here successfully flushed the DNS resolve cache. Then go to the enter disk cleanup, go to the disk cleanup. Here is cleanup system files. Here is cleanup system files. So I click the cleanup system files. Here is the You can see the clean up the file takes some times. As you can see, it takes some times. There is some tick mark. You can see here is the megabyte is increasing file size. Okay, clean up system. It's cleaning the C drive file. This Windows cache files are deleting. Cleaning the utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe.